Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, I have my head sticking out of a sunroof for a reason. What are we doing? Well, we're going to be servicing the front sunroof drains. Very good. So here we are at the top of the sunroof on the outside of the vehicle. First thing you want to do is you want to inspect the whole tray for any dirt and or debris. And what you want to do is you want to locate your drain tubes, or at least the entrance to the drain, which is right in there, and there's one on the other corner. So we're going to get our special tool and our slightly soapy water, and we're going to service these drains. Very good. Alright guys, here we have our special tool. It's to clean sunroof drains from the top to bottom. Now, it's pretty much a very small plumber's pipe cleaner, but as you can see at the end of this tip here, there's a little ball, and what you want to do is you just want to stick it in there. Let's get a closer look, if we can get a closer look. You just want to go. Now every vehicle is going to have a different length to go down the tube with, so just go in by feel. You don't want to jam it in too hard. You don't want to pull it out too hard. Alright, very good. I heard that exit the vehicle. Now, just pull it back out. Very good. Alright, always check your tip, guys. There's no dirt, which is always a good thing. Now, we get our slightly soapy water. You don't want to make it crazy soapy. You just want a little bit in there to change the surface tension of the water. Then you put the tube right up in there and you just let some water through. Squeeze some water in there, and that's a good noise. That's a very good noise. Why? Because we know it's draining. Where is it draining? Well, let's see. Oh, you see? Right there. In there. So what happens is it comes out the drain, comes out the car, and runs out of the vehicle. That's a good flow of water. If we had any issues, or previous issues, the customer would have complained of a possible wet passenger floor, or water coming out onto their foot from this area. If it's over there, that might be signs of a clogged AC drain. But as you can see, we had good flow. We're going to do the procedure twice to each of the front drains. So we're going to do it again here, and then we're going to move on to the driver's side and do it again there. Very good. Alright, here we are at the driver's side. Same thing. Just locate the entrance to the tube, and then send your cleaner down. You'll hear it exit the vehicle on the bottom. Very good. Pull back up. Good, we didn't get stuck. Soapy water time. And just like the other side, we double check our flow, and it's draining out the vehicle. Very good. Very good, ladies and gentlemen, and that's how you perform a sunroof drain service to pretty much any sunroof. The rears, on the other hand, it's a whole big process to do, to where we actually have to lower the sunroof, because there is no easy access to the rears unless you blow air from where the exit is underneath the vehicle. You blow air up, but then if there's a clog, you're just re-entering the debris into the tracks and into the tray. So the rear is a whole big service. The fronts, that's where 90% of our issues are. So that's how to do it. If you don't know what to do yet, guys, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.